In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sign up for the Deepseek website using your iPhone step by step. Let's get started. First things first, open your browser. Tap on the browser you prefer. Let me just Google. Tap on it. Now type in www.deepseek.com. Once you have typed in this, hit search. Now, once the site loads, look for the sign up or get started button or start now. You can see it right here. Tap on start now. You will see options like login with Google and sign up. Now fill in your details. If you are using email, enter your name, email address and create a password. For now, let me just sign up with my Google. Tap on sign up. Now enter your email address. Once you have entered your email and password, tap on send code. Now follow the process of verifying it. You will be getting a verification code on your email. Simply open the email and copy the code from here and paste it right here. Once you have pasted it, tap on sign up. You can also save password in your device. Let me save it. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a tip. Thanks for watching.